This is our backyard. It's like all flooded. Real flooded right there. I don't know, it's about maybe 3-4 feet. Trampoline not reached there yet. Okay, it's pretty flooded down there. Down, pretty flooded. We're staying up here like we have everything up here. See, there's my sister, my mom. Okay.
Hello?
And back here, whoa. It flooded. See, it's pretty high. So you have everything up here. Bathroom's not working.
Yes, it is.
Well, the downstairs ones are. Okay, here's our house. It's all flooded. See the water is sogging everything up. You can see the ripples right there. You can hear it. Yeah. See? I feel getting wet and then here. It's all wet. See, it's all dirty and wet. Yeah, and then the rug. It's all wet. See the water right there. It's all in the house. It's about 1 centimeter outside. See that? Look, it's sinking right there. All water. We did our best to clean everything out. Look outside right there. See that? It's all water. All water. Out here, yeah. It's our car. Yeah. And then here's back here. See, right there, it's all flooded. It's real bad. And our next door neighbor, the Williams, they used to have a patio. Oh, not anymore, but yeah. It's all wet over there. The ground is like it's unstable. So you have to pile everything up over there. Walking on the carpet. Hear the water. I'll just pull these blinds up, huh? See, look at that water right there. It's pretty bad. Then here's a couch with to pile everything up. Scary. Very traumatic. We just bought, we went through a flood a few days ago. I mean, a few months ago. It's been a year. 11 months since we had our last one. It's pretty traumatic. See, it's nearly up there. It's all flooded around here. That couch. This is like a really nice couch. So comfortable. Here's outside. There's grass under a mile of that. So yeah, it's pretty traumatic. It's also pretty dangerous. Now I'm just trying to figure out how I can get over here. Yeah, here we go. Look at that right there. Look at that. All of that flooding. So water. Very bad, very bad. As that was our doorway. Had a gymnastic beam. We didn't want it to get wet. Yeah. Okay, from our garden. Here's my sister coming. Hi. See, look at that water all over. It's all wet. All wet. Kitchen. It's all wet. Ow. Over here. It's like all wet right here. It is pretty scary. In my room,
Oh my god, that's like so wet.
it's my room. I love my room. Doorbell, oh my. Oh no. My things didn't get wet though.
This is like, oh my god.
Stop! Stop!
Ow.
Stupid. Oh. See, there's like garbage everywhere. My old room. Here, I'll show you kind of like a better view of the back. I don't get electrocuted right here. See right there? See, that's our backyard right there, yeah. Okay. So that's the tour of my very flooded house. Hope you enjoy it. What was that, Beak? Just a little squeak. What are we gonna do now? Well, thank you for watching my video. All wet, all wet. My soccer thing. The floor. I'll show you my patio room. This rug is like all wet. It's my patio room. You can see in the background the water. It's all over there. We have about like maybe 2 inches, about 1 centimeter maybe of water. So yeah. Okay. Thank you.
It's really broken this thing.